welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some Halloween spooky jars or potion bottles as you would call them. These were very inexpensive and easy to make. I just used recyclable jars that I had on hand, and some printables for the labels. So before we jump into this tutorial, I would like to ask if you can hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I started off with some 120 grit sandpaper, and I just scuffed the bottles up a little so that the paint can adhere to them. You can use an 80 grit sandpaper if you have, but I would advise not to go beyond 120, and that is all I had on hand. So I did that for both jars. And once that was done, I went in with a damp paper towel to clean whatever residue it had remaining, and I let them dry. Once they were dried, I mixed some brown and black acrylic paint, and I just used the cover of the glass jar that I had, and I painted the jar and the bottle as well. I did give this a rough paint job. I didn't give this a perfect paint job because I would be removing majority of the paint eventually. Once I had the entire bottle covered, I went in with a dry paper towel and I removed as much of the paint as I can, because most of it had already stuck to the jar because of how I roughed it up and it had already dried. I wanted to give these jars a dirty, very nasty look. And I just repeat this step for the other one as well. Once they were dry, and they do dry pretty quickly, I went in with some black acrylic paint and a stiff old brush, and I just splattered some paint all around both of them, and I did the exact same thing. Take a clean paper towel and I just wiped it off so that it doesn't look too splattered. I had some of these printables from last year, but you can go online to get any free printables. I cannot remember the name of the company I got these or where online I got these, so I won't be linking this in the description below. And I just choose two from the set that would match these jars. Once I had them all cut out, I'm just measuring them to make sure that they do fit. I'm going to be taking some of my matte Mod Podge. You can find these at any dollar store or craft store, and I'm just adding some onto the jar and placing the label, and then adding another coat to the top. And repeat for the other one as well, and let them dry completely. They would dry very quickly, so this was very easy and quick to do. It did bubble up a little and had creases, but all that added character to the bottles. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning for a subscriber, welcome back. Feel free to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I did went back in with some of that paint. I did mix the brown and black as well as black, and I went onto the labels because I wanted the labels to match the bottles and be as dirty as possible. I wanted this to look like it's been on a shelf for years, just collecting dust and dirt, and I just love the spooky Halloween decor rather than the cutesy ones. If you are interested in the cutesy looking one, let me know in the comments below and I would do some videos on that. I did went in with some twine to the top just to spruce these up a little more, And that was the end of these DIYs. As I said, it was very quick and easy and not that time consuming. I do have videos for the next couple of days, which is Tuesday and Wednesday. This is the final look, and thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate you a lot, and see you in the next one. Bye.